Your project is arranged in tasks. A task includes conversations with a specific expert about one of the aspects of the project. The tasks are arranged in 4 different classes. Each class is serving a different purpose. Each class will open a different content editor. You can read more about the different content editors at their specific presentations. The numbers you see represent the number of tasks in each class, where the green stands for high priority tasks, blue for new tasks, and red capture all the tasks in this class. When pressing a number on a class, you will get a list of all the tasks that belong to this class and this priority. Press the red number if you want to see all the tasks in this class. Visual Process allows you to divide your work into several tasks. This way, the work that appears in each editor is manageable. The content can be connected to the expert who made the contribution, and more. When you press a task in the middle column, you will see all its details in the right columns. You can edit any of the details by pressing the pencil next to the item. If you press Open Session, the content editor will be opened and allow you to start adding content. Each time you press Open Session, a new session will be created. You can follow the sessions by pressing the Session button above. It is a good practice to add session summary at the end of each session. Now, let's go back to the beginning. When you start a fresh project, you will see an empty screen. Click the plus in order to add your first task. You need to add name and description. Next, you need to select the type of task. This selection will determine to which class your task will belong. Next, you can select the colleague you are going to work with on this task. You can assign one colleague for each task. The drop-down will include only colleagues you assign to this project at the My Project dialog. If you did not assign any colleague, this is a good time to go back and add your team for this project. You can also create the task and add your colleagues later. Once you selected the type, a new field called Mapped Element will appear. As will be described in the next presentations, the description of the domain and data in Visual Process is built-in hierarchy. In this drop-down menu, you can select at which part of the hierarchy you would like to start. This will become clearer later on. If you didn't build any hierarchy yet, just select an object, which is the default. Now that you added all the details, press Save. A task will be created under the relevant class.